Hello Pretty Family, this is Gail with Pretty Presets. I just wanted to hop on and do a video about how to install your profiles and presets in Lightroom, both Lightroom Classic and the regular version of Lightroom. This has changed slightly in the last few years, so if you've been using a different method, I would encourage you to use this method going forward. So how I'm going to install these is going up to the File menu at the top of Lightroom, and I'm going to come down here and click Import Develop Profiles and Presets. When I click on this, it's going to open an Explorer or Finder window that allows you to navigate to where the zipped file is, and this is my zipped file, so I'm going to click on Import. And that is going to automatically import all my profiles and presets into Lightroom. Here are all the presets here on the left side. And if I come over here and click on these icons, these are all the profiles on the right side. Now I'm going to quickly delete these and show you a different method that you can use. Let's just come over here and delete. Now if I come over here to the presets panel, I can click on this plus sign at the top and click Import Presets. I'm going to get the same Finder or Explorer window. I click here, highlight the zipped file, click Import, and that is going to import all of my presets here on the left and profiles over here on the right. So now if I go over to Lightroom, I'm going to come up here, I'm going to do the same thing. You'll notice I have clicked on an image and I have an image open. I think that is the easiest way to make sure you're installing these correctly. So click on the File menu at the top, just like before. Click on Import Profiles and Presets. You're going to get the same navigator window, either a Windows Explorer or Finder window. I'm going to click on the zipped file that I downloaded, and I'm going to click Import. 14 presets and 7 profiles have been installed. To find my presets, I click on the preset button at the top. Here are all my presets. To find my profiles, I can click over here and open the profile window, and these are my profiles. Now, I also can do the same thing here. Up here in the presets window at the top, there's a plus. I can install them this way as well. Either way, these are the easiest and fastest ways to install presets in Lightroom Classic and Lightroom. Hope this helps you get your presets installed.